All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day 15 of our February daily math. Number one, if 42 lollipops are shared equally by 6 friends, how many lollipops does each friend get? Write an equation. So if they're going to be shared equally, we're thinking division, right? We know our total, which is 42. And we know there's 6 friends, so 42 divided by 6. So that's like the 6 groups is a friend, right? So how many does each friend get, or how many are in each group? Well, 42 divided by 6 equals, Wait a minute. Oh, we were just short on that. I was looking back on this one, but it's 7 times 7 is 49. We were really close to answering it. So this time, 42 divided by 6. Is it 6 times 6 equals 40? No. 6 times 7. Very good. 6 times 7 is 42. So the answer would be how many what? How many lollipops? 7 lollipops. All right. Number 2. 425 minus 125 equals 125 minus 425. That is a no. That is a false. That is not right. Okay, we cannot exchange those like we do addition, similar to how we cannot exchange division like we do multiplication. Okay, that's commutative property, but there is no, it doesn't work with subtraction or division. Monkey Shines went out for recess with Sophie and Grace. They played jump rope for 30 minutes. Then they brought him inside at 12:40. At what time did they go out for recess? Okay, well, if it's 12:40 when they come back in, we want to go 30 minutes before that. Okay, so if we have 40 minutes, let's count back by tens. 30, 20, 10. So when they went out for recess, it was 12:10. Okay? Use less than, greater than, or equal to. Half box of chocolates is blank compared to an 1/8 box of chocolates. Be careful. This 8, a lot of people think, oh, the 8's bigger than the 2, so it's got to be greater than, right? But if I broke up a candy bar into 2 pieces, or I could break the candy bar up into 8 pieces. Okay? So there's 2 pieces. Here's the same candy bar into 8 pieces. And you get one of them. So which one's bigger? Same size candy bar. Which one would you rather have if you like candy bars? Or box of chocolates? Yeah. 1/2 is bigger than 1/8. It's greater than, excuse me. Very good. Just be careful. That 8 doesn't mean it's bigger, okay? Number 5. What fraction is point C on this number line? Color the candy bar to show how many pieces you need to get to point C. Okay? Well, there's 0 and there's 1. So here's 1 piece, here's 2 pieces, and here is 3 pieces. But it's a fraction, because this is 1. Remember, fractions are part of wholes. So, how many pieces are there total to get to the 1? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fraction is 3/4. Very good, you guys. All right. We're going to keep hammering away with those fractions, and you're going to get it, okay? You're going to be like, yep, this is awesome. I love fractions. They're like my favorite. All right, we'll see you tomorrow for day 16, Fraction Masters.